Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer bank feed rules in QuickBooks Online for accuracy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer bank feed rules in QuickBooks Online, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the banking menu from the left sidebar. Select the account whose bank feed rules you want to transfer. Click on the Rules tab located near the top of the page. Identify the rules you wish to transfer. Click on the pencil icon next to the rule you want to edit. Make any necessary adjustments to the rule settings if needed. Take note of the condition and details of the rule. Now, go back to the banking menu. Select the account you want to transfer the rule to. Once there, click on the Rules tab again. For transferring the rule, find the option to create a new rule. Select the plus icon or New Rule button. Input the same conditions and details as the original rule. Ensure that the new rule accurately reflects the intended settings. After inputting all details, save the new rule. Repeat these steps for any additional rules you need to transfer. Review all newly created rules for accuracy. Ensure that the rules work seamlessly with transactions in the new account. Whenever you encounter discrepancies, make necessary adjustments. Utilize the bank feed feature to streamline transaction management effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.